W with Mijke.
Hey everybody, Mr. Mike here. Today we are going to learn how to draw a yummy pie. What kind of pie is this? I don't know. It's a mystery pie. What kind of pie would you like it to be? Did you know to draw this pie, we only need two basic lines and shapes? An arc and a line. What? That's amazing! We only need two basic lines and shapes to create this. Let's see how it all fits together. Let's start off with an arc right about here on the paper. And we're going to go outward like this for the edge of the paper. And then we're going to draw another arc on the opposite side going out to the other side of the paper. So you end up with something like this. Next, we're going to make another arc right here, very small arc, just like that. Now, we are going to create a series of arcs. We're going to make a pattern of arcs going all the way around, and that's going to create the crust. So we'll start here and follow along. If I go too fast, you can feel free to pause the video at any point so you can catch up. You're just making arcs about the same size all the way around. And you'll notice what I'm doing is I'm not making those arcs follow a straight line. They're going in an arc. They're curved, following this curve of the pie. Okay, so now I'll do the bottom. And we're just going to join it like this. And we're not going to meet here. We're just going to leave a space. So make it look like this. So every corner here should meet up. So the end of the arcs should be in line, but they don't touch. Just like that. And then round off that last one right there. Great job. Next, we're going to add two lines. Those lines are going to come down on an angle. So start here where this arc meets this arc here, and then we're going to go below that and have a line come down on an angle and then stop. And then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. We'll start here right at this arc and we'll come down on an angle like that. Next, we're going to make one large arc to join these two lines. Now, I'm going to turn my paper. You can turn your paper too if you like, because it's easier for me to draw long lines if I pull toward me. So put your marker down or your drawing material, whatever you're using to draw, and then we're going to draw that arc and pull the marker toward us. And my hand is dragging on the paper like this, and that helps keep my whole arm and my hand and the drawing material all stable so I don't have a shaky line. If I hold my hand above like this, I might shake a little bit so I don't get as smooth of a line. If you drag your palm on the paper like this, it's easier to control. So here you'll notice there's a little bit of a gap, and I'm just going to use a line to close that gap. Just like that. Okay? Great job, everyone. Next, we're going to use arcs to create this little detail at the top of the pie. One arc this way and one arc around like that. And we'll do another set, one arc this way and another one on the opposite side. And then one arc here, and then we're going to join that at the bottom like that. Okay? Next, we're going to create a detail on the pie plate. We'll just do lines like this. And you can have them angle outward as they move along the pie plate, just like that. Next, we're going to make it look like it's a hot pie that just came out of the oven, and we're going to have these steam lines coming up, and they're going to be made with arcs. So watch this. We'll do an arc like this, and then we'll do a larger arc in the middle, and then we'll make a smaller arc like this size right here. And then we're going to do an opposite arc and join them. So here we're going to go the opposite way. Here we'll do the opposite way. And then here we'll do the opposite. Just like that. And now to finish this drawing off, I'm actually going to create a thick black outline around the whole thing. So I'm just going to trace the outside line and push down a little bit harder on the marker so the line gets thicker. Now, I don't do this all the time, but sometimes I like to create a thick black outline around what I'm drawing. Now, what kind of pie is your pie? I think my pie is an apple pie because I really like apple pie. I'm going to turn my paper again to do this thick black outline on this side. So you should decide what kind of pie you're having and then draw that pie. And then also you can color in your pie. And there it is. Look at that yummy pie, everybody. Excellent job. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. Remember, for more drawing fun, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.